So this is an example of the concept that we understood in the previous video. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ आप उस वीडियो को देखें और let's solve this question. So let's see how easy it is. So it says a set S equals to 24, 25, 26 till 72. How many APs of three terms can be formed when terms are selected from set S? इससे term select करने हैं. अब हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है डायरेक्ट, हमें बस n की वैल्यू निकालनी है. तो n की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 72 माइनस 24 प्लस 1, बिकॉज 72 एंड 24 दोनों ही इंक्लूडेड हैं. तो 12 minus 4 that is 8, 6 minus 2 that is 4, plus 1 that is 49. तो n की वैल्यू क्या हो गई, 49. Now the formula that we have is n by 2 greatest integer function into n minus 1 by 2 greatest integer function. Apply this formula. So it is 49 by 2 greatest integer function into 49 minus 2 1 which is 48 by 2 greatest integer function. तो क्या दे रहा है हमें ये, so this is giving us 24 and this is also giving us 24 and that's your answer. So guys, see how simple it is. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन अच्छा लगा and the formula is useful for you, please like it, share it and subscribe to all the CAT aspirants. Thank you guys, thank you so much.